and welcome to my channel, Albert's Art Adventures. And today I will show you how to draw a monster guard. Okay, so first we're gonna draw a square that kind of looks like this. Then we draw a straight line, then like this, and then we draw another straight line. Now we're gonna draw two squares by the sides. One right here, one right there. Now let's draw arms. First you draw a line and then another line. And the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and now let's make some rectangles like this. Now fingers. First the thumb. We make one finger on the short side of the rectangle. Then we draw 3 more on the other side of the rectangle. And the same thing here, but differently, like this. And now let's move on to the legs, like this. Draw 2 straight lines, and then draw a rectangle, and then draw a square. Then make 2 more straight lines, like this and this. And now make a rectangle like this. And now let's do these things. And now your turn. Like this and like this. Like this and like this. And now like this and like this. Now let's make it a bit cooler. Now let's draw a tail. So first we make a J that goes through this. Now let's make another J that goes like this and this, and then the tail is gonna be long. So we're gonna make it like this and this. Now let's make the head. First, we are gonna do a rectangle. Then let's do this and this. And now we make straight lines for eyes and make a line right there. Now for a nose, we're gonna make like 2 lines. And now just for fun, you can add angry eyebrows. And now we're gonna do a mouth. And where's his helmet? He needs a helmet if he's a guard, so let's make a helmet. First, we're gonna make a straight line above, and now 2 straight lines like this. And then 1 little itty bitty straight line, and another one. Now let's make this and this. Now let's just make him a feather. First, let's do this, and now let's do this, like this. And now we'll do that, and just a little bit of lines. And now let's move on to the coolness. So first, we're gonna make him like he's a robot. A robot with a tail. So let's draw cannons and a neck too. Now let's make his body cool. Like let's do this and this. Now let's do these and like that and like that. Now like this and this. Like this and this. And now one more. Like this and this. Like this and this. And then make two more lines like this. And now let's draw a line like this. Then we go like this. And then we go like this. Like that. And like this. Now let's make him a belt. So here we go. And here he goes, his belt. Now let's make it like this, and then like that, and like this. Okay, and now let's make him like a metal thing right here on his belly. Then we do that, and we do that. And now you can just draw a bit of lines if you want. And now and you can make symbols if you want. I'm gonna draw them like this. That's his badge. And that's his badge. And let's make his tail like striped. And that and that. Let's do this and this and here and there and here and there. Now you have your very own monster guard, and you can color him home if you want. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. See you later. And if you like my videos, you can always subscribe and see more how to draw videos with Albert's Art Adventure.